Welcome to Thursday of week 13. We're doing sauces this week, and today we have an apple brandy or Calvados sauce with apples, and that will serve with pork tenderloins and some vegetables. So we are baking the vegetables. So we have the pork tenderloins cut into 3 pieces. We tied them up. We'll bake them at about 250 to 75, very slow. So what that will do is it will cook the tenderloins, and then we will saute them. For the sauce, we have a little bit of leek, 2 types of wine. So one is actually a brandy, so the apple brandy. We have white wine, a little bit of flour, butter, and then we have mustard, white mustard seeds, which we broke into little pieces, but roughly broken, not fully ground, and some heavy cream. And to garnish, we have chopped parsley. So that's the dish. Let's start cooking. Baked vegetables to go with our pork. I have a little bit of butter that I have here over a high heat. So I have baked this pork in a 275 degree oven for about 40 minutes. So this is the internal temperature is about 140 degrees. So we'll just coat it in a little bit of flour. And we want to cook this on high heat very quickly, just a couple of minutes, just to brown it. You can see it has turned beautiful golden color. We'll turn it over. We'll cook it on all sides, and then we'll cook the sauce. This is done. So we'll place it here and let it cool down, let it rest as we cook the sauce. So the pan is hot, so we'll add the leeks. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Let this cook down. You want to add the brandy at this point. Just to burn off the alcohol. And then to this we'll add the wine. This is the white wine. Bring the temperature up just a little bit. And cook the wine off. We want the flavor of the wine but not the alcohol. So as you cook, this will reduce and burn the alcohol off. Add the apples. I have the apples sliced and kept it in lemon water so that it doesn't drown. So we'll add the apple wedges to this leek mixture, leek and wine. Put in a little bit of salt and pepper. And to this we'll add the heavy cream. Let's taste it. Needs a little bit of salt. Taste it once more. Yes, that tastes really good. Let's cook it for just a minute to reduce this a little bit. The sauce is ready. Shut it off. We'll cut the pork and we'll serve it. To serve the dish, we have the pork, we have the apple sauce. So we'll put a little bit of sauce in the bottom of the plate. Let's clean this up, and then to serve the pork, we'll cut it into rounds. See, it's beautifully cooked. So as you can see, this is beautifully pink and fully cooked. So we'll serve this on top of the sauce, and then maybe just a little bit of sauce on the top. And then some parsley. There you have it, a Calvados apple sauce served with pork and a little bit of mixed vegetables which we baked in the oven with a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bon appetit, and see you tomorrow with another sauce.